So number 5, influences of marketing environment on marketing decisions. आज का हमारा टॉपिक है मार्केटिंग एनवायरनमेंट. Environment is a broad spectrum of sets of conditions which prevail at a given time for environmental. It is air, oxygen, dust, smoke, etc. In atmosphere, but in marketing we mean two things. We have stated it previously. The task environment, the broad environment. Task environment involves immediate actors such as suppliers, distributors, dealers, and consumers. It is involved in production, distribution, and promotion. Broad environment consists of demographic, natural, economic, technological, political, legal, and environment. Controllable factors. Such are factors which are directed by top management and marketers. Although top management takes all decisions, but 5 are directly affecting marketers. Line of business. They consist of goods and services, category, functions, graphic coverage, type of ownership, and specific business of the company. Overall objectives, numerical goals, etc. Role of marketing, importance and integration of services. Corporate culture, the conditions that exist inside the organization. Uncontrollable factors, these are pertaining of to external conditions such as consumers, their characteristics, incomes, states, race, education, etc. Competition, what are they doing and planning, their research, policies, and strategies, etc. Government, the legislation, laws, rules, controls, policies, framework, international laws, etc. Economy, the rate of growth, sectoral factors, the trends, and many other things. Technology, the research methods, machines, equipment, etc. Media, the independence of media, the information mode, etc.